In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Asana project ID from the URL. This is a quick, reliable way to grab the exact identifier Asana uses behind the scenes, which is helpful for integrations, API setup, and even when you're submitting a support request. You won't need any special tools, just your browser and access to your Asana project. Start by opening Asana in your web browser. Any modern browser works fine. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project you want to check. You can get there from your sidebar or search bar. Make sure you're actually on the project page itself, the one that shows tabs like list, board, or timeline. So you're viewing the project and not a single task, a search result, or a portfolio. Now, look up at the browser's address bar. The project ID is tucked right into the URL. Asana structures project URLs so that a long string of digits appears in the path. It typically sits between slashes and may be followed by the view you're in, such as list, board, or timeline. For example, you might see something like app.asana.com 0 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 list. In that example, the long number in the middle, the sequence of digits, is the project ID. It's usually all numbers with no letters or symbols, and it can be quite long. Carefully highlight just that number in the URL. A quick tip: double-clicking may select the whole segment, but if it grabs extra characters like a slash, drag to adjust the selection so it includes only the digits. Then copy it using your usual method. That copied number is your project ID. You can now use this project ID anywhere it's requested. Many integrations and reporting tools ask for it so they can pull data from the exact project you're working with. If you're setting up the Asana API, you'll reference this ID to read or update items in that project. And if you're reaching out to support, including the project ID in your message helps them locate the project quickly and assist you faster. If you don't see a long number in the URL, first make sure you're truly on a project page. Click the project name in the sidebar and confirm you see the project level tabs. If your browser shortens the address, click the address bar to reveal the full URL. In every standard Asana project page, that long numeric segment will be there. That's all you need. Open Asana, go to your project, find the long number in the URL, copy it, and use it wherever needed. Simple, accurate, and done.